Hey, what's going on, folks? Michael here with Primal Edge. In today's video, we're going to find out if the Dallas Cowboys are worthy. And spoiler alert,
You're all not worthy.
hey guys, don't kill the messenger. It ain't my fault they haven't won a Super Bowl since the 1900s. Alright, seriously, folks. I was recently commissioned to build Mjolnir and incorporate into it Dallas Cowboys somehow. I guess the individual had seen it online somewhere and wanted a custom version for themselves. So I came up with a design, showed it to him. He was happy with it, and I commenced building it. There was a lot of 3D printing to do on this project, a lot of it. The design is completely mine. Obviously, I took inspiration from the MCU's Mjolnir and did it relatively close. There are some things, like you can see right here, perhaps, where I've got Dallas Cowboys on one side, and then I have the inscription on the bottom. The inscription actually says, I kind of twisted it, "Whosoever holds this hammer, if they be worthy, shall emerge victorious in the Super Bowl." And only time will tell if it works this year. Again, the whole thing is 3D printed. There is a steel threaded rod going through the middle of it to add support to it. It's hollow, but only to a degree. All 6 sides of this thing are about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter thick. Not solid. They're 3D printing, for those of you who know, prints with a honeycomb type infill. I mean, there's a lot of different styles, but that's the best way to describe it. This one has kind of a zigzaggy pattern inside of it, filling in the space. So again, this entire item is 3D printed. With the exception of the steel rod and any epoxy that's on here, every bit of this has been made with either the resin printer or with my filament printer. So it's not completely solid, but it's pretty damn tough. Between that, the epoxy that I used to put this together, and the coatings that are on it, this sumbitch will do some damage. But I wanted to show this to you guys, and I'm gonna have some stills in a second here to let you know what I've been up to. I've got a pattern here at the top as well. I forgot to show you where I've got the Dallas Cowboys star. It's not the actual star, but it's a star that looks just like theirs. And it's embedded in some epoxy right inside here, blue and white. And I wanted to show this to you guys. I've been doing a lot of 3D prints lately and getting a lot of requests for 3D printing. Now, usually my 3D printing videos don't fare all that well, but I've really gotten to the point where I want to start sharing more with you guys, and I'm just going to put these things out there. If you want to see me build one of these, because since I've created this one, I've already got 3 requests for different ones. Not all Dallas, so don't worry about that. I can take you through the process of how I designed it, the 3D printing, the finishing process, how I handle the gaps and get rid of the layer lines, how I got this faux leather finish, because believe it or not, that is plastic. I had somebody actually hold it and think it was leather, and they were feeling it, trying to determine whether or not it was leather, because I applied a texture to it and then painted it in such a way that it looked kind of like leather. A lot of the designs on here are designs that I either came up with myself or had modified from some stock images that I got off of one of the accounts that I use. Now, I personally think it came out fantastic. I built this. I never thought about making one before. When I was asked to do it, I said, sure, why not? Give me a chance to make something fun. Since I've made it, I'm actually going to make one for myself as soon as I get time. Like I said, I've got 3 more requests. 2 people are itching to have it now and, are slapping me with money. So, but they want to keep it more generic. They don't necessarily want it football related. That being said, folks, you need to let me know in the comments below. Do you want to see more about how this thing was created other than just me reviewing it with you? I've got a ton of stuff that's being built with a 3D printer. The workshop out in the back is almost complete. I'll be ready to do some woodworking and some metalworking really soon. I had to really do a lot of stuff to get that garage ready, so it's still going to be a little while before I'm back in the shop. And that's why I've been doing so much 3D printing lately. So let me know down in the comments below. Leave me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you want to see more of this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video and all those good things. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but believe me, folks, I have not left you. Thanks to all the people who've recently subscribed, and for all of you who've been around for the long haul, I really appreciate you. My name's Michael. This is Primal Edge Design. You all have a great day.